Given that the radius is 3 centimeter and the measurement of the arc AB has a measurement of 12. So we're going to find the area of our sector, the shaded part of our circle. So since the given is the measurement of the arc and the radius, so we can use our first formula for finding the area of our sector, which is area of sector A OB equals to the measurement of the arc AB divided by 360 times the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. So measurement of the arc is 12. Divide 360 times the area, which is pi. So 303.14 times our radius, which is 3 centimeter squared. So 12 over 360 times, so 3.14 times 3 squared is equal to 28.26 centimeters squared. So 12 times 28.26 is equal to 339.12 divided by 360. So the area of our sector is equal to 0.9 centimeter squared. So that's the area of our sector that has a radius of 3 centimeter and an arc which is 12 degrees. As you can see, if the given is the radius and the measurement of the arc, we give the value of our pi or radian. You can use the exact value for the radian or pi, 3.14, 12. Since you have your scientific calculator, you have there your pi sign. So you can use the exact value for pi. Or if you don't have your scientific calculator, just use the 3.14. Since some of you doesn't have a scientific calculator, especially Gabby. Try to find the area of a sector of this circle. For example, we have this circle. We have circle A that has a radius of 4 centimeter and an arc that measures into 15 degrees. What will be the measurement or the area of the sector DAB?
Okay.
Yes, Gabby?
May I use the CR?
Yes, you may.
Okay.
And done solving for the area of the sector of our circle. It has a radius of 4 centimeter and an arc which is 15. Let's solve for the area of our sector. So area of sector DAB is equal to the measurement of the arc DB divided by 360 times the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. So we have 15 over 360 times 3.14 times our radius, which is 4 centimeters squared. So 15 over 360 times 3.14 times 4 squared is equal to 50 0.24. So 50 times 15 is equal to 753.6 divided by 360. So the area of our sector is 2.09 centimeter square. So that's the area of the sector that we have in the circle, given that its radius is 4 centimeter and an arc which is 15. Okay na? In finding the area of our sector, question. Yes po. Kailan ginagamit yung divided by 2, the second formula for the area of sector? If the given is a central angle, you can use area of sector is equal to radius squared times the central angle divided by 2. If the given is central angle and radius, that's the time that you can use this formula. But you need to change the measurement of the central angle. Kung ang central angle is in a degrees form, you need to change this into radian form. Yeah. For example, this one. For example, we have this circle. The measurement of the radius of this circle is 2 centimeter. And the central angle, which is in a degree of 30 degrees. So we need to find the area of our, or area of sector of our circle. Since the given is a central angle and a radius, we're going to use area of sector equals to r squared times the angle divided by 2. But before we proceed in solving for the area of sector, we need to change the degree form of angle into radian. So degrees to radian. We have 30 degrees for our central angle. Multiply the radian over 180. So we will be having a 30 radian over 180, which we can simplify into 2 over 12, or 1 or radian over 6. It's the simplified form of 30 over 180. So we have radian over 6. So since we already convert the degree form of our angle to radian, we can now proceed in finding the area of our sector. So radius is 2 centimeter squared times the radiant angle, which is radian over 6 divided by 2. So 2 centimeters squared which is equal to 4 centimeters squared, times the radian over 6 divided by 2. So 4 centimeters squared times radian over 6, we will be having 4 radian over 6 divided by 2. So in fraction form, we will be having a 4 radian over 12, or in decimal form, we will be having an area of sector which is 0.33 radian centimeter squared. So that's the area of the sector, given that the measurement of the radius of our circle is 2 centimeter and the central angle, which is 30 degrees. Okay, for this example question, in fraction form, if you can still simplify your answer, if you want your answer as fraction form, simplify. Since 4 over 12 can be still simplified, which is 1 over 3, or pi radiant over 3, if your answer will be written in a fraction form. So it's more easy to use the formula, the first formula that we have, given that the measurement of the arc is given. At kung given ang central angle, we need to change it into radian form. So we can use the second formula in terms of radians. Okay na for the measure or the area of a sector. Question and more question about the area of a sector. Wala na. So tomorrow we're going to have an activity regarding with this area of sector. Before we proceed with the area of segment of a circle.
So much in a circle.
Yes, we need to finish all the things about circle. Walang ibang shape ngayong quarter, kundi circle lang. Yun lang ang alam nating shape, circle.
Is the next one octagon?
Octagon? Ha? Gusto mo naman octagon?
That's it. Anyways,
Pagbibigyan kita.
I think that's all for today. See you. What is that
Pagbibigyan
thing you
kita.
say?
I'm going to put octagon shape in your worksheet for Gabby. I will put it there. Answer, Gabby only. For Gabby's only. Question that has a shape of octagon. Wherein you're going to solve for that shape. Okay, Gabby?